Hola, Matavinaka by Spain na koro o Madrid. Vinaka totokan lang raki Spain na singalib ni kuwa. Totokan na wanga vuka sara tiko buka na Iberia. Nurto wanga vuka na matento Spain. Bayan rachukan ni bikim ni sa bimbiu may Jamani, sa tacos may ngoy Spain. Ito mo sa ngwal sara ni Amerika. Ito bulu vinaka mevi wavoki, bolesteri korlala. Ito ka ng raki Spain na signi ko ito ko bulungan na koro o Madrid. Ito ko nga nanon rito rara ni wanga vuka, taman ni rara ni wanga vuka by tamera. Tamba bida cuma ko tamba tulu iya tamba tulu cuma na tamba rua in total na tamba ni daki. Walit ka na British Airways. Ngana wanga buka na bonto kina ni kuwa. Mo sa lesu lengua na kor. Ni Matavinaka. Iyo da wabi ni vinaka wana kalo na bitang kumaki. Lama ni madawa na bi matintu wakalakova. Bula vinaka yada. Aloha. Bula China call, bula nongkuyada, triza, lailiko, bula merelutu. So I'm logging in right now from Spain, the beautiful city of Madrid. I'm currently at the airport and about to catch my British Airways flight to go back to the United States. It was a wonderful trip. Wonderful experience. I'll just take you on a little tour around the airport before I go. That's my line over there, and it's already full. You know, the Americans are always super early. So I want to be American today and try and... I was 1 hour early, which I was so proud of. So this is the side of the airport which is empty at the moment, but it's good that we have a look at it because this is the international airport and then the other one is more the domestic, but they're both big. The domestic, it took me 23 minutes to come by train from the domestic to the international one where I am at the moment. Can be quite confusing, so you notice the numbers has S in front of it. S38, S37. So the one I'm going for is 39 and 40, which is on the other side, which I'm going to go to after this. But you have to be alert to that when you have your ticket. Make sure you check the number on your, or the alphabet on your ticket, because that will tell you which part of the terminal you have to go to. So we have K, we have M, you know, all different. Oh, there's a plane already leaving. Bula Peli, Adola Tau, Bula Dr. Lorraine, hola from Spain. Yeah, so just sharing what I experienced today. So when I arrived at the domestic airport, which is quite huge as well, I just saw the letter K and I was like, okay, this is a different letter. I have to go to the one with S. So I decided to walk around the airport and ask for help. And very early in the morning, my patience was tested. So I just said to the devil, not today. I asked the lady, there were two ladies. One of them was smiling at me and pointing at my flower, my tiki. As you all know, I always like to have my tiki. So she was pointing at it and smiling. And I said, oh, thank you, gracias. But the second one knew I was going to ask the question, and she just looked at me and said, I don't speak English. I haven't even asked the question, and I was so close to tell her, you're already speaking English to me. But anyway, I was so close to have a little fight with her, but I wasn't in the mood. But I just kind of carried on, and that's when I realized maybe I should learn Spanish. So that might be my plan for 2024, is to learn another language to help me, especially with the work that I'm doing at the moment, because I'm traveling around Europe a lot. So anyway, one of the passengers that was waiting in line heard my question and said, oh, I can help you, which was really nice. He was an angel. He asked me if he can look at the not today, Satan, not today. And so the gentleman was very nice. He asked me, can I have a look at your ticket? He's not even, I think he was German, because I could hear he had a German accent. And so he asked for my boarding pass. And he looked at it and said, oh, there's S on the ticket, so you have to go to the other airport. So the girlfriend was really nice and just told me and said, look, if you look up, you'll notice it's color coded. You just follow the color. So that's another thing I'm learning as I'm traveling, is that a lot of the airports are so user friendly. So I just have to be alert to it. So you can see the color, see, green. So when I was walking, looking for the letter S, that's all I was looking for, the color green. So I had followed the green all the way to the train. So there was a train that took me from where I was to the letter S. And here I am. So that's a lesson I learned today. I'm going to go back this way to the duty-free shop. I want to buy something from the duty-free shop. One is ask questions, don't be shy. But because that lady was a little bit impatient, but another person stepped in and helped me. So I just thought I'd share that a lot of airports are color-coded. So I followed the green line all the way to the second airport, which took me 23 minutes. 23 in the train. The Mangulevu. So I was thinking, man, imagine if I just decided to have coffee and relax on the other airport. But anyway, lesson learned. Ask questions. Don't be impatient. Don't be angry. Learn another language if you can. And follow the color code. So the color code system brought me here. And I'm so happy about that. And here I am, ready to board. And I just want to show you a little bit about the airport. Look at the architecture. I love buildings. I love airports. It's so beautiful. And here, sharing the love from Spain. Boleh vinaka everybody, boleh vinaka alferetido anim vuka isa. Utsam boleh vinaka turang kasi boleh badengu. Boleh vinaka litiana rarasea. Dan boleh vinaka na bubale na kuinikoro. Iyo, isa Dr. Lorraine, eh? Iyo, you know, as we travel, especially with places where they speak another language, we just have to be patient and pray before you travel, eh? Meron ni chukubika na nela tambung, eh? Kunda na virombay na raranaga buka. Anyway, I'm gonna go in here and see if I can use the remaining coins that I have. I have so much coins in a euro. And one of my friends have told me to buy some sweets that is made in Spain. So let me see if I remember the name. It's in, there you go. You can see all the sweets. Boleh vinaka. Iyo. Ngora bi matanggali sweets, winter sweets that are made here in Spain. So I'm going to look for some. Sa tukun maybe na Havana, Meubolia. Okay. Toksarangango ko. Isa kasarangango. Turon blando. Kung kata ka na almond and honey. Okay, that's it. Sa liban teksaranga kina na nongu bimatanggali coins ko itungo. Turon. Sana komanda ni mendele muncitaka ni sana ya ni Amerika. Nakbali bikem ni na bakarong tiko mai. Sana boleh pantang konto na snacks ko me bana numitu ni nunggu inday. Goti kana cookies ko sana galita kana zumba. Rudy kay Dr. Tulele kan kimro marama fiti o sana pole manangango me bakani uti ko na sitting ko Madrid me bolito ni para nume turon blando lewatal ko na kena sana pole manangango iya dia lako boli tukango ka umber Lihat ke na souvenir totokai rere vinaka saboli sona nung souvenir totokai kena bini bongo sa rere vinaka irna bangun lelewa. Okay. Hola. Is this one?
Then you the boarding pass, please.
Oh, sure. Boarding pass. Yeah. Okay. No, should be okay.
Yeah, it's 9%.
Okay, so I've got some coins, so see if I can use it. I think I should be enough. Like a souvenir, lots of beautiful souvenirs. Hola from Madrid. Nakabalib na siya mamay. Sa wala kong bondo. Ito na ba ang boy? Nakabakaliw. Should be enough?
See, I'm taking the small ones.
Oh, good one. Thank you.
Okay, this is yours. I think this is yours. Let me take it again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
See, I have to learn Spanish, yeah?
8.
Yeah, see? Did you hear all the beautiful counting? She's counting in Spanish. So that's my dream.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yay! Thank you. So, see, I have to learn how to count in Spanish. So, I know dos, yeah, dos, 1. Dos, aha, dos, see? Dos. And cuatro is 4.
Yes.
Cuatro is 4. There you go. Okay. Oh, I'm so happy I got this souvenir that I'm going to take with me. Naka. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay. Sabol ko na ngunit ti biscuit sa naletaka. Sa siya nilis breakfast crackers. Sa kuya ni na biskete. May Spain. 35 ya, 34 cuma salan dua. Mau red mandang ko. Ni bola. Tulu. Wah, okay. Ya, sa tombal sambay ni ko. Meu sana laki bondo. And nongu wanga vuka, Nakapakalibo na siya matikumay. Tawe peli dolabi na. Iya, oi, sabar takoso. Esa. Ngo saya itun sartungan ko nung ang vuka. Rakib na katunggo Spain. Sartungan itu flight ni ko Los Angeles. Ito ko nalibo ni Tamato. Alak may sila lakalaksar na lain. Ngo sambalaw. Nawang kabukan ko na Iberia, ero nakatakapat kina British Airways. Karo code siya Tawir minggo. Sanang ko. Iya. Teman nila ini balabu full flight to kan itu flight. Iya. Sini sartongan na rarano ang kabuka. Ang balabu na laini. Masarang kawiri. Group 3. Excuse me, thank you. Nalaini ko sa balaw nga. Iya tahu balaw sarto ka nalaini. Ang sabi ko mara nibigyan mo ni. Nanda may siya matikon ko, group 3 siya dawir ngango. Bati ko na terminal ini sarap main ko. Terminal 1, terminal 2, ko kacu na kala coding, damun-damun, roka karakarawa, sa dinaw-nawa. Na code mo na baka ataka. Sana turun mo na nga na sana malumo, sana gawir sa mutali. Ito talaga nakauwi ba matalataka. Na bono ni charge kina noda telefoni. O klay mo ko weekend santa waka man liba-liba. Sana kanimaraw ni sali mo na raranawan ka buka sa bitamay na ono mo bitikin na mo telefoni. Sarasara nga niyo ngolang nga mayo chat sa kanong telefon. Iya. Nakabali wala siya mati kumay o tao peli. Sasasangat kong baka may ngole tali na wasa atalan ni tika. Ay, sabi nakabali po tao na siya matumay. Totoo ko na mundo bin garabi talaga na wanga. Nakabali po na mundo siya talaga minanom ni talan noa. Nabuko ni nom nindo sarban noa. Kambuto ko to na beba noa. Nabiasa ibura-bura. Totoo ka ba kauti? Damarutakan ni dasema patamay na sino binakayantay. Oklan sa bungiliw sa arti kong baka may biti. Bungiliw sa arti kong baka na so nabibano na was Pasifika. Bekitunggo Spain. Sanggay yung mamatik ko natin ko na singaliw. Double binaka si Masi. Beka Bulibo, si Reli Coralala, si Terry Coralala mo sa tiyaw. Iya. Ganga na kaya nare binaka sa bana balilay. Tsaka na po na nung rebisaw ng ngone. Long, yeah? Next time I'll go business class. I'll save hard. I say I wanna go business class. It's really a full flight.
Oh, yeah.
Oy, saan din na? 3 a.m. tao Matakalilay Kito ba sagod sa ngang na katalaw o tinabas ng levo sa hanggang ngalit tumay mo may wara ka nung kuwang kabuka totoo ka na sarabanua o buka may Frankfurt o buka balik di Varense iyo may Jamani matakan ko buka may nabi mama ni ono matakalilay o gawon sa naman kabuka au sangga Indonesia ni sa gay vandra chiko na matin sina totok vandra na matin singa vinaka na lomalangi tasaraba tumay na bebanu na kena benga kilo sa totokan din dagay sarasara tu yava da saraba tu na bulbul ni kalo na na udhiwai na wasa-wasa da bonto tu na wanga bukan nakikila tu ni nonton bule kawale da bonto cuk mananga nando na kay bule nga tamata ya nagere na bimbi ni nonda turmen humble ndikila ni okende ta kawale nga kawale nga tala na gate sa Takmaya sara ulit nga may na namba sabla na sinkoro ng pangiliw iya katong ko sa wati na tinikarua na singaliw iya Iya, saba ka raw baka madalibig ka ni. Isa, tumad may dawin. Iyo. Pakabiyo, tinkaro na yawa. Si, wanto may nang kula kumay, iyo. I think it is 12 hours, iya. Dota ka na bukang palabo, Iya. Sebenarnya kembali besar, sabah model bikin ni, ngarang kali satu tercegah ni saya dan itai vinaka.